Here's a couple of pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, probably from the Winton area. Reels and millimetres, material's been wetted to help bring out the colours. First piece is this large piece here, like a picture stone. Been semi-shaped. The back, again, another picture stone. Put more fire in this piece down the side there, bit in the background here. Bit of hollow there and there. Yeah. And showing up in the picture. This needs to be ground a bit more and polished. Could grind it down, cut it down a lot more if you wanted to make it stone that way. It's not so much colour up the left hand side there, so you could concentrate it down and have a more vibrant stone rather than a big brown piece. Anyway, they are what they are. It's how Mother Nature made them. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.